Saka tichatarisa subscribers question. Ndiyo question A. Tikuda kutsvaga the missing angle x. Then we are given 3 other interior angles. So chatinofanira kuziva chekutanga ndechekuti sum of interior angles. The sum of interior angles. It is given by n minus 2 multiplying 180. So this is the formula inopa the sum of interior angles. Kana chiti interior angle, kureva ma angles ari mukati meshape. So equation yachagadzira panapa ndeyekuti we are going to add all the interior angles. So it is equal to n minus 2 multiplying 180. But it's necessary to define what n is. So n it could represent the number of sides. As we can see, this shape is a quadrilateral. Particularly, it's trapezoidal, not trapezium. It's a trapezium. It has 4 sides. So let us go to our equation. The sum of interior angles. Tichati 85 degrees plus 76 degrees plus 54 degrees then plus x should give us n minus 2 multiplying 180. Then let us go over to our graph paper. Toda kuziva kuti 85 plus 76 plus 54 ndiyani. Saka 85 plus 85 plus 76 plus 54 tinowana saka 6 plus 4 10 plus 5 15. Then panapa tikamisa 8, that's 7 plus 1, tana 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Saka tina 215. 215. So panapa we are saying 215 plus x is equal to, then n will be 4 since our shape is 4 sides. So it's 4 minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. Again, what is 4 minus 2 is 2. So 180 times 2. 180 times 2, 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16, 21, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Whatever put is 360. Saka panapa we are going to say 215 plus x is equal to 360. Since tikutsvaga x, which is the missing angle, so we have to isolate it. And now we have to make x the subject of the formula. In doing so, tichada a transference of 15 from the left hand side to the right hand side. Saka 215 anofanirwa kutransfer kubva left kuenda right. But we know that whenever a number transfers from the left to the right or right to the left, panoitika a change of arithmetic signs. Kureva kuti positive 215 ichasvika kuiri negative. So x is equal to 360 minus 215. What is 360 minus 215? It's important to avoid arithmetic errors. That's why we share our graph paper so oftenly. Saka 0 minus 5, it can't, we add 10 here, we add 1 here, 10 minus 5, that is 5, 6 minus 2, it's 4, and 3 minus 2, it's 1. Whatever equal kuti, we have 145 degrees. That is going to be our x. What is worth remembering? Chakakosha panapa kuziva kuti the sum of interior angles is equal to n minus 2 multiplying 180. Let us go to our next question. Satakundinya papa b. Pa b we need to find x. but chachinja from A to B ndechekuti pa-B we now have a shape with 5 sides which is called a pentagon. So we have to remember from our previous question, maybe recall, kuti the sum of interior angles rakatizinyore using mathematical denotation iko zvinhu izvi. Saka tiri kuti the sum, a summation of interior angles is given by this formula, n minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. Saka aka kasymbol in statistics inongoreva kuti summation of. Kana chiti summation tiri kureva kuti zvatinowana after adding. So the sum of interior angles is given by the formula n minus 2 multiplying 180. Saka changosiyana chekuti n wedu this time ava 5. Remember we defined n to be the number of sides. So the equation we are going to be dealing with panapa ndeyekuti we are going to add all the angles, interior angles inside the shape, then equate them to n minus 2 multiplying 180. Kureva kuti starting with this angle 3x plus this angle 70 plus 2x plus 45 plus 3x plus 4. Remember 3x plus 4 ndo angle ish. This should be equal to 5 minus 2 multiplying 180. 5 here VP. N is the number of sides and our shape is 5 sides, making it a pentagon. That having been said, let us now collect like terms. Kureva kuti tichati 3xe plus 2x plus 3x. 3 plus 3, that is 6, plus 2, it's 8. Kureva kuti it's now 8x. 3x plus 2x plus 8, 3x, giving us 8x. Then let us add my number. That is we tray pa rough paper. Saka tokunongo utilize panapa as a rough paper. Kureva kuti we are going to have 70 plus 45 plus 4. Saka 3x na 2x na 3x washandiswa 70, 45 na 4. Okay. So let us add this. 0 plus 5 plus 4 gives us 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 119. Saka we have 8x plus 119 is equal to 3 from 5 minus 2 multiplying 180 degrees. What is 180 multiplying 3? 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8, 8, 16, 24. We carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3, 4, 5. So it's 540. Panapa we have 8x plus 119 being equal to 540. So to isolate 8x, we have to write it as 8x is equal to 540 subtracting 119. 119, you transfer from the left hand side to the right hand side. So there's a change of arithmetic signs. So tiri panapa, toda kuziva kuti 540 minus 119 inotipa chi. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So it's 421. So 8x equates to 421. If we divide both sides by 8, shasara tawana x. Saka we are going to say 8 into 8, it's 1. What is 8 into 42? That is 5 with the remainder of 1. And what is 8 into 21? That is 2 with the remainder of what? So it's 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, a remainder of 5. over 8. Kureva kuti our x is going to be 52 5 over 8. If you need to verify, substitute pese pana x with the answer we got there. I'm sure you're going to find the sum of interior angles inside a pentagon, which is 540. Let us go over to the next question. Question 2a. Name a regular shape which has rotational symmetry of order 5. Ma keywords edu regular. Kana shape ichinzi iri regular, zvoreva kuti masides acho ari equal. Kureva kuti a regular triangle will be an equilateral. A regular shape, alright, a regular quadrilateral will be a square. A regular shape, this is a shape whose sides are equal. Saka tirongoti the sides are equal. Then we have to understand the concept here, a rotational symmetry of order 5. Kana chitaura pamusoro rotational symmetry, tiri kutaura kuti ishape yatinogona kufolda into equal halves of 5. Let me give an example. Tikatora a square. Saka a square, this is rotational symmetry. It is rotational symmetry of order 4. Zvinorevei? Zvinoreva kuti tinogona kufolda nepanapa. Tikatora side iri neside iri, tikazvibatanidza kudai so andi, zvinenge zviri chi? Anenge ari 2 equal halves. Kureva kuti this half, and this half, they are equal. Our second option of kufolda will be this. We fold like this. Half yepamusoro nehalf yepazasi zviri equal. Then we can also fold like this diagonally, and we can also fold like this. So taziva mademands equation yedu. We need the name of a regular shape whose rotational symmetry is of order 5. So how do we answer it? So in answering this question, our answer is going to be, our answer is pentagon. A pentagon is a shape with 5 sides. That is pentagon. So a regular pentagon, maybe the most accurate answer will be regular pentagon. So a regular pentagon, it has 5 equal sides. So my regular shapes edu, the number of sides, let us write this down. For regular shapes, the number of sides is equal to the rotational order of symmetry. The rotational order of symmetry. Sakana shape irregular, the number of sides yakafanana ne the rotational order of symmetry. Kureva kuti for an equilateral triangle, the rotational order of symmetry is 3, because an equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. For a square, sezvatabva kudemonstrata, the rotational order of symmetry is 4, because we have 4 equal sides. Kureva kuti a pentagon, a regular pentagon, its rotational order of symmetry, it's going to be 5. So that is how you answer this question. Ukavunzwa a regular shape, wovunzwa its rotational order of symmetry, you just have to know what is the rotational order of symmetry. In this case, it's 5. But we need a shape with 5 equal sides, and that shape is going to be a regular pentagon. Maybe this will be the regular pentagon. where all these sides are equal to each other. And we can also demonstrate kuti this regular pentagon i5 here. So kudemonstrate kwacho tinenge takuisa dividing lines sezvataita pasquare. It's not necessary, just know this principle kuti regular shapes, the number of sides are the same as the rotational symmetry of order. Next question. The sum of interior angles of a hexagon is 720 degrees. Three of its interior angles are 140, 120, and 160. The remaining angles are in the ratio 2:5:5. Find the largest of the remaining angles. Saka, in attempting this question, zvatichaita ndezvi. Chekutanga ngatidrowei hexagon yacho. Saka a hexagon is a shape with 6 sides. Saka it will be like this. Yeah. No hexagon yangu. Then we are told that one of the interior angles is 120, one of the interior angles is 140, then we have another angle which is 160. Then three angles are asara, are given in this order and not in this ratio, 2:5:5. So tataudzwa kudhara kuti the sum of interior angles is equal to 720 degrees. Even though dai vanga vasina kutiudza, vangotiudza kuti the shape is a hexagon. Using formula ya n-2 times 180, angachigona kuwana the sum of interior angles. So let us look at the wording of our question. Question yedu yati iyo. The remaining angles are given by the ratio 2:5:5. Tikadzokera pa question pedu, tikatarisa the last part, kana this part yakati iyo, the remaining angles are in the ratio 2:5:5. Kureva kuti we have to find what the remaining angles are. Saka kuti tizive kuti remaining angles edu ichi, chatinotanga kuita kuedda angles atakapiwa. Kureva kuti the remaining angles, this is going to be our equation. Remaining angles is equal to 720, which is the sum of interior angles of this hexagon, subtracting 120 plus 140 plus 160. Totaza kuti angles aya ese, sum ya angles 3 aya ichi. Saka tichangoti angles ese, the sum of interior angles of our hexagon, subtracting angles atapiwa. So to do this now, our rough paper, we need to find what 120 plus 140 plus 160 is. 0 panapa, then go across to a 420. Saka panapa is going to be 720 subtracting 420. And what is 720 minus 420? It's 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 300. Wherever panapa, we are going to remain with 300. Kurauti samima angles ayatikuziva is 300. Then we go back to our question. Question yedu yati iyo, the very last part, you have to find the largest of the remaining angles. The remaining angles, they are defined by the ratio 2:5:5. So what do we do? Tino uya panapa tola iso. Tichati, the largest remaining angle sine angle is going to be equal to, then it's 2:5:5. Kureva equal kuti, in the sharing of 300 degrees, 300, my angles are, they are shared in this ratio 2:5:5. Satikada kuwana a fractional representation of a single ration dividend. The largest, that is going to be 5. Since 5 is your number of paper over chi either my ratio dividends edu 2 plus 5 plus 5, which is 12. So it's 5 over 12. 5 over 12 multiplying on 300. So panapa cheta say it kesa 6 and I'm going to say 12, rather 2 into 12 into 6, and then 2 into 30 into 15 into 0 into 0. So 6 into 6 into 1, 6 into 15 into 2, saka 12 divided 13, 14, 15, 3, then 6 into 30 into 5. Correct, we are going to be having 25 times 5. 5 times 5 into 25, 32, 5 times 2 into 10 plus 2 into 12. Correct, our answer is going to be 125 degrees. That is our final answer. But I feel the need pakweseni to prove my working. Saka kuprova panapa zvatichaita ndeizvi. Taona isusu kuti when it is 5 over 12 kana kuti paratio dividend ya5 tinenge tina 125. Kureva kuti panapa it's 125 degrees. Panapa again it's 125 degrees. Ngatitsvagei kuti kokana iri 2 and kokana iri 2. So iri 2 zvoreva kuti it's going to be 2 over 12 multiplying on 300. Sangatiitire panapa with a different color. It's not part of our answer. It's just a proof. Haufangi kuzoita muexam. And kuzviita as an instructor to prove my answer. I just feel like doing so. So it's going to be 2 over 12 multiplying 300. Yatinogona isusu kuti 2 into 2 nde1, 2 into 12 nde6, 6 into 6 nde1, 6 into 30 nde5 into 0 nde0. Kureva iko kuti this angle is going to be 50 degrees. Taudzwa isusu kuti the sum of interior angles it's 720. Kureva kuti tikaedha maangles ese aya kufunga kuwana 720. So ngati maedha itona. Saka kana tichimaedha tichati isusu, remember tina 160, a different color again. It's not part of our answer. So we have 160, we have 140, we have 120, we have 125, we have 125, we have 50. Kufunga kuwana 720 kana answer yedu iri correct. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 5 plus 0 10. Pana 1 panapa. Then chati 6 plus 4 10, apa ya 12, apa ya 14, apa ya 16. Then yobva yati 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Saka 2 pana 2 futi. Then tobva tazoti 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 720. Saka by so doing, our answer is proved. Trust my working. It's the correct working. Ngatidzokerei kuti ngoisummarize. Masteps ataita panapa ndeekuti paudzwa isusu the sum of interior angles is 720 degrees. And then taudzwa isusu the remaining angles they are shared in the ratio 2:5:5. Saka kuti wane the remaining angles tati 720 subtracting my angles atatopiwa ari matatu aya. Kawana 300. Then kuti wane the largest of the remaining ratio yayo i5. Saka converting it into a fraction, it's going to be 5 over the total. So it's 5 over 12 multiplying 300. But I want 125. Then I prove by just putting 125, 125 na 50, adding all the interior angles, sum up or to give us 720. So this is it. Next question. Number 3 okupesira iri kuti the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is 3960 degrees. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Yaifanira kutinetsa since tato-establisha kudhara kuti sum of interior angles, the sum of interior angles of a shape is equal to n minus 2 multiplying 180, where n of course represents the number of sides. kureva kuti tikatora this formula n minus 2 multiplying 180 tikaiequata to the sum of interior angles, which is 3960, n should be or should give us the number of sides of this polygon. Saka in solving this much, zvachatanga taita, since we need to isolate n, or technically we need to make n subject to formula, so we're going to divide both sides with 180. Both sides with 180. Then let us say 180 ichacheka 180 kunoku. Then ichangocheka chi mazero panapa. Then tinogona kushandisa tokunoshandisa ani panapa. Kushandisa 2. Alright, half ya 18 ndi 9. Then 2 into 3 ndi 1, remainder 1. 2 into 18 ndi 9, remainder 1, and into 16 ndi 8. And then anopinda rapa. 9, 18. Alright, ngatingoisiya yakadaro. Inosolveka ke. Kureva kuti kuno kuside kunoku tana n minus 2 are equal to 198 over 9. Let us confirm kana taita chaizvo panapa. Kutsvaga half ya 18. Ngati half ya 396 ndiya ndi 198 ndizvo here. 198 plus 198. 16 1. 18 19 1. Ndizvo kaizvo. Ndizvo. Saka kuti tisare tina n kuno kuzoreva kuti n achava equal to chi? 198 over 9 plus 2. 100. And tinogona kuenda through the long method pane zvandoda kuita next, but zvazongoreva ndezvekuti n are equal to 198 over 9 plus 18 over 9. Sanda replace 2 na 18 over 9. Ndoda ngoita kuti ku left right hand side kwangu kuve ne the same denominator. Saka it's 198 over 9 plus 18 over 9. Asi kana uriwe kana kuti uri seni kuziva kuti tiri kutamuwana kupi, tangonyora iyi as 1 over 9 over 9. Or taconverta 2 into a mixed number. Saka 1 times 9, kana kuti 9 times 1 ndi 9 plus 9, it's 18 over 9. Ndozvataita. Saka ngatidzokere kukweseni kwedu. Saka n iri equal to, ngati add zviri pamusoro panapa. Tiri kuedha 198 plus 18. Saka pa ndi 16 kapa. Then 9, 10, 11. Then ndi 2. Kureva kuti ndi 216. Saka 216 takuda kuidivida nani na 9. Ngatimbona 9 hapindi here. Chero tikada kutanga na 3 anopinda. Right, 9 into 9. 9 into 9 ndi 1. 9 into 21, it's 9, 18, 27. Saka inopinda ka 2. 18, 19, 20, 21, 3. Then yozoti 9, 18, 27, 36. Saka into 36 inopinda ka 4. Kureva kuti therefore n is equal to 24 sides. Ndoinenge answer yedu hama dzangu. Saka yapera iyi. Kana muine mubvunzo munobvunza kuma comments uku. Toona kuti tobatsirana sei. Thank you.